Welcome back to Algo Traders Program ATP from Market Secrets. This is episode 24 of the series, and in this episode we are going to learn about maximum profit and loss per day that we will get from this algo trading. So what is the maximum profit and maximum loss per day that we can expect from our algo trading bot? When we talk about any trading or any trading strategy, profit and loss becomes very critical, especially the daily profit and loss limit, which is nothing but the maximum possible loss or maximum possible profits per day. And that's what we are going to discuss in detail today. So let's start with losses. As you know, loss possible is 0 or -1. And you can say, just 1 rupee would be your minimum loss, and the maximum loss will be somewhere around 3,500 rupees. But that's generally a rare scenario. If 3,500 rupee loss is generally a rare scenario, and when it comes to average losses, it will be somewhere around 700 rupees to 1,800 rupees. That is what you will generally see on most of the days. So whenever you see any losses, right, it will generally be around 700 to 1,800 rupees mostly, and in some worst cases it might go around 3,500 rupees. So that's what your maximum losses would be. Likewise, when it comes to profit, 1 rupee would be your minimum profit, that is minimum possible profit, and your max possible profit would be around 3,000 rupees. But just like I mentioned earlier for the losses, this 3,500 rupee profit will also be something that's rare, and generally your day-to-day profits would be somewhere around 700 to 1,800 rupees. That is what you will generally see on your terminal at the end of the day. So most probably you can expect 700 to 1,800 rupees of profit whenever the day ends in green, but in worst cases it might be lesser than that, and in the best cases it might be around 3,500 rupees. That will be your maximum most of the cases. Well, there can be 1 or 2 odd days in a year where this limit might be breached, and it is extremely rare, and even if this 3,500 limit of losses or profit is breached, we might end with maximum of 4,500 or 5,000 rupees of profit or losses. But I'm saying that is extremely rare, and maybe it happens on extreme days like an election result or the budget days. So the exceptions might be there, but even on those days it will still be under control. Maybe it's from 3,500 it might go to 4,500 or 5,000, but it will still be controlled losses. That's what I would say. So hope this gives you a complete picture on your day-to-day profit and losses generated by our algo trading bot, and what you can expect this bot to do on a daily basis, both on the positive side and also on the negative side. And with that, we have come to end of today's episode. We have a separate demo Telegram channel for everyone who is interested in Algo Traders Program. This is where our algo trades and results are published on a daily basis, and this is where we share all the updates regarding ATP. Link to the channel is available in the description section of this video. Please join if you're interested. Also, we are providing real-time live feed for our algo trades on a daily basis in our YouTube channel. So subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell icon to get invitation for our live sessions. Stay tuned for this exciting journey.